Unraveling the phrase, Worry Wart. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to delve into a quirky English phrase, Worry Wart. Have you ever heard someone use this term and wondered what it means? Well, wonder no more. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. The phrase, Worry Wart, consists of two words, worry and wart. Worry is a verb which means to feel anxious or troubled about actual or potential problems. It can also be a noun that describes the state of feeling this way. Wart, on the other hand, is a noun that usually refers to a small, rough growth on the skin. But in this phrase, wart isn't meant to be taken literally. So, what happens when these words come together? A worry wart is a colloquial term used to describe someone who tends to worry excessively or unnecessarily, especially about minor matters. It's often used in a playful or teasing manner, although it can be seen as a little critical if overused. Imagine someone who always thinks of the worst-case scenario or frets over the tiniest details, even when there's no real cause for concern. That person could be described as a worry wart. For example, Sarah always stresses about her plants even when they look perfectly healthy. She's such a worry wart. Let's look at a few more examples to see how this phrase can fit into everyday conversation. 1. You're checking the weather forecast again? Don't be such a worry wart. Our picnic will be fine. 2. I know I might be a worry wart, but did you lock the door? 3. He's always anxious about his exams, even when he studies a lot. What a worry wart. Remember, while the term can be playful, it's essential to be sensitive. If someone genuinely has anxiety or is going through a tough time, it's not appropriate to label them a worry wart. There you have it. The phrase, worry wart, is a fun and catchy way to describe someone who worries a lot, especially about small things. English is filled with such colorful expressions, and understanding them can make your conversations more dynamic and engaging. I hope you found this explainer helpful. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.